Hey! Oi! Oi!
So yesterday I decided to go home the most direct I can say, most direct option I will be happy with, let's say like that. Yeah, I'm pretty close to Montenegro, so because of my plans are changing, just in Greece I get like from my grandma some money, a little bit extra, like something for me, like buying food, whatever. But mostly it was money for take the ferry. It's about like between 100 and 150 bucks. But because plans changed right now and I didn't go anymore to Morocco, because I didn't spend the money for the ferry, I can spend it on other things, on goodies, whatever, in these 2 months. It's 150 bucks left. 10 bucks gonna spend today for a hostel. It's actually really like the first time on this tour where I pay for that. Reason is why, first of all, I have the money. Okay, I didn't need it for anything else. Maybe food, maybe some more weed, but whatever. I'm dirty as fuck. I not mean here. There maybe as well. Yeah, for all the ladies. Now, okay. Now I'm up here. Oof, definitely need a shower, and definitely need to wash all my clothes. Okay, yeah. So, border to Montenegro. Those border crossings never get boring. Again, a little bit excitement, because there's many times something where I think like, I hope they don't question that or something like that. Right now it's I have 250 gram of rolling tobacco too much. 250 is allowed and I have a half kilo. Yeah. 1 pound of, it's not 1 pound of weed, but tobacco. For 10 euro actually, a half kilo of tobacco. Albania is cheap in that. Yeah, I had pretty much fun in Albania, and now, yeah, let's see on the other side. Okay, yeah, control done. Really strange, you know. I was giving one guy my passport. It was almost a little bit like in Azerbaijan, you know. You give somebody's passport and he's just going somewhere else, collecting just the passports. I mean, like, usually it's the one thing, like, I give you and I stay where you are and checking my passport most of the time, because, you know, still, whatever. So then he just started digging in one of my barrels, yeah, these panniers. Many people are interested in this, by the way. What is that? There's water inside? Yeah, of course. 25 liter water each side. 25 kilo more. So I'm carry 50 kilo of water with me, always. Definitely. Now they're just panniers. That's it. This is the whole story. But whatever, he was just digging like fucking crazy inside there, you know? Like really like with pressure, it was like with the hand, like... I think like, come on, dude, you know? And I said to him, no problem controlling, but can we do this like a little bit more? You can take stuff out and whatever, lay it on the floor, but take precautions, dude. This is my stuff. And I don't care if you police, motherfucker. Yeah. So, here I am. Got myself a room. But tonight, I have so many fucking things to do. It's pretty nice. I have even own fucking kitchen, balcony. Actually, this is maybe for 3 people, but whatever. Maybe later I'll get my bike as well inside. But first, just put it up there. I guess it's no problem. Really nice owner. He gave me some really delicious. I don't know what the fuck that is, but piece of cake. Yeah. So what I have to do today? Oh, I bought myself new panties. Because look at those. I had them find in the trash in Turkey. And yeah, long time use since so far. So I have to wash myself. I have to wash my clothes. I have to charge all my electricity. I have to transfer all my files from the GoPro because this is full to my iPhone. What else? What else? What else? Maybe cut some videos. And yeah, okay, this is for amusement. Maybe use the Wi-Fi later to Skype. So I'm gonna go sleeping really late, probably today. Yeah.
Last week, I kind of getting really good weather. I was sometimes a little bit raining, but for that time, where February, it's really awesome. Really awesome. I can say I'm blessed. Yeah, blessed. Pretty much. Look, blue skies. Tomorrow it will be fine. The whole week it will be like that. Awesome. I mean, I'm going right now more north, so I hope luck is keeping up and I'm slowly coming into spring, but it looks pretty good for me. Yeah, so I'm still in Montenegro. Today I will go to Croatia, and I'm in a really interesting area actually. This whole thing is actually connected to the Adriatic Sea, so it's like more or less like a bay, but it's like when you look on the maps on Montenegro, you will find close to Croatia something looks like it's called Bay of Kotar, I think. What looks like some lung. That's pretty funny. Like 2 parts like that, and you might look on the map. But I found something else interesting. Okay, first of all, like, this is all surrounded by mountain, very steep up. You just have like this little bit of flat up here, and then it's straight up to 1,000 meters probably. Now I spotted this river because I was like, where the fuck this came from, you know? Like, it's quite a lot of water. And I thought like, okay, it just came from directly out the mountain. Yeah. This is what it is. It is what it is. First time in my life I see something like this. I don't know how you call that. It's like, it's not anymore a spring, I would say. Underground river, probably. It was maybe like on the mountain and then just goes somewhere down like into the ground and came back. I have to be careful. Exclusive for you fellas. I'm gonna go right now the way up there that you can see something. Whoop, and still be careful, Axel. Okay, try to get as close as possible. This is just amazing, like, wow. Like the color actually of the river itself is really like this turquoise. So if you're gonna jump right now in there, your head is gonna smack up there to this rock. I want to discover it further, you know. This is yeah, it's really awesome. So up there, coming out, going straight up into the ocean. So I'm heading back right now to the street. I have to drive a little bit more. Okay, more interesting stuff to show. Okay, I'm still in this Kotar, whatever bay. Here we go. I show you the one river, underground river, and right now we together can discover one old one who's dry out, obviously. Yep. And because I'm not in the tourist time here, didn't have to pay for that shit. A little bit, some puddles of water. Okay. So slippery, slip. Probably there are bats inside here. Hey! Oi! Oi! Yep, okay. And we need light as well, because it's about to get dark. Whew. And again, be careful, Axel. Camera, and I need more light. I can't see shit. Yeah. I love stuff like that. Abandoned houses, caves, all kind of shit. Discovery. No bats up here. Well, seriously, it's getting pitch dark. And water? Is this water? Oh yeah, okay. I think from time to time there will be water coming out here. Because probably when it's raining, yeah. It's like some drainage. Holy fuck, it's going deeper inside the fucking cave. Hey! Oh! I can't see shit! Okay, now it's getting more and more narrow. No, fuck. I'm mistaken, this shit goes really deep inside. Okay, there are some bats. Yeah, seriously. This goes really deep inside. Yeah. I thought it's getting more narrow, but it's open here right now. More and more. Wow. If I would just have the right light right now to show you guys. And then he was slipping on the rock, fell down, broke his neck, and died. Okay, be careful. Really careful. Okay, it's going down right now, and fuck. Yeah. No. I I won't go further, because without light and without supplies, this can get really tricky. Tricky! Tricky! Also, when it's itching me right now, and I want to go further, but as well my bicycle is outside. So, a little cave discovery. Yeah. I thought it's really just going like a little bit inside and going narrow, but no. This thing, you probably can go up the mountain. Yeah, more on the ground, I don't know. This is maybe like a spring, yeah, because when it's going down, no, who knows? Who knows? I'm not the cave expertise. Sorry. Yeah, so basically the whole video, yeah, probably just was seeing some of the entrance and my voice. Okay, back again. Oh, I missed that. Smells interesting. Some soul brick probably inside. Woo! That was nice. Yeah, I wish I would just have more light. Actually, the light of my iPhone is actually pretty bright, but I was surprised, like it's really pitch dark. You couldn't see shit. Okay. Bicycle still there.